Hello student of class 5. Welcome back to your English language class, children. So in the previous class we were doing pronoun chapter 5 of your book and we have completed exercise number D. So this is your book and today we will do exercise number E. So open your book at page number 23. This is page number 23 and the chapter is pronoun, that is chapter number 5. Okay, so we were doing chapter number 5 and we have completed up to exercise D. And in this class we will do exercise number E. It is very simple and you can do it. And I will guide you how to do. Okay, so take a pencil in your hand. Yes, are you all ready? Let's start. Underline the personal pronouns in the sentences and encircle the nouns that they replace. Now here what you have to do, you have to underline the personal pronouns also and you have to encircle the nouns that they replace because pronoun replace the nouns. So here you have to encircle the nouns that they replace. Okay. So one is done for you. Hari bought a new book. He put it on the table. So he and it. Two are pronoun here. See in this sentence how many pronouns you find. This one. Hari bought a new book. Hari bought a new book. He put it on the table. He and it. These are what? Pronoun. Now what we have to do? You have to encircle the nouns. Okay. That the pronoun replaces. Okay. Now see here, encircle pronoun. Noun means names. Hari and new book. And what are the pronouns used here? The pronouns used here are he and it. Okay. So here in the example, Hari and new book, we have encircled it. Okay, Hari and new book, and it and one more is he and it. See it properly. He and it are two pronouns which are used in place of Hari and new book. Clear? In the same way we will do the rest. Okay, one is done for you. Have you got it? We know that pronoun replaces nouns. So what we have to do? We have to underline the pronoun and encircle the nouns that the pronoun replaces. Okay, here we have encircled Hari because he is used for Hari, and again here we have encircled new book. Okay, because it is the pronoun. It is used in place of the new book. Okay, so this is noun and it is pronoun used for new book. This way we will do. See, Deepa had done her homework. She was studying with her brother. Now, Deepa had done her homework. Now, Deepa is a girl. Her name is Deepa. Girl's name is Deepa. Had done her homework. So, her is what? Pronoun. You will underline pronoun her. Then, she. Again, she is used for Deepa. You will underline she. She was studying with her brother. Here her is also used for Deepa. So what you will do? See, you will encircle Deepa and you will underline these three. Okay, what are these? Deepa. Okay, it is name of a girl, noun. So you have encircled Deepa and then you have underlined her, she and again her in the sentence. Because she and her, they replace the noun that is Deepa. Clear? Now number 2. Where is your bag, Ajay? Have you lost it? Now it is used for boy, isn't it? So it is pronoun. So you will underline it and you will encircle bag. This way. You will underline it and you will encircle bag because it stands for bag. Number 3. My friends are coming to my house. They want to play. So who are coming? My friends are coming. So next sentence, they wants to play. Who wants to play? My friends. So you will encircle my friends and you will underline they. See. Understood? Now turn the page to page number 24. Page number 24. Okay. Now we will do number 4. Do not sit on this chair, it is broken. Now which one is pronoun here? Do not sit on this chair, it is broken. So it is the it. It is the pronoun. So you'll underline it. It stands for what? Chair. It replaces chair. So you will encircle chair and underline it. Clear? Then number 5. I have a sister. I have a sister. Her name is Anshu. She studies in class 6. So I have a sister. Done. Her name is Anshu. So her. Her stands for Anshu. Isn't it? Again, she studies in class 6. She is pronoun. So you will underline her and she. And then encircle Anshu, because here we are talking about Anshu. Now Hari and Raju went on a picnic. Hari and Raju, they went on a picnic. They were very happy. Who were happy? Hari and Raju. So they is the pronoun used here, and Raju and Hari. So they stands for Raju and Hari. So you will encircle Raju and Hari. Clear? Now number 7. A snake cannot hear because it has no ears. So which one is pronoun here? It. Isn't it? It stands for snake. So you will encircle snake and underline it, because it represents the snake. Okay. Now number 8. Rajesh took his dog for a walk in the park. He played with the dog. So Rajesh took his dog for a walk in the park. So we are talking about Rajesh. So he played with the dog. He you will underline, because he stands for Rajesh. Okay. Rajesh took his. Again, his also stands for Rajesh. So you will underline his, then he. Okay. And encircle Rajesh. Done. Now comes number 9. Children should drink milk regularly. It is good for health. What is good for health? Milk. Isn't it? So it is good for health. You will underline it, and it stands for, it replaces milk. So you will encircle milk. Okay, you will encircle milk and you will underline it. Done. Then next one, 10, number 10. The teacher asked the teacher liked Anu's essay. She praised her writing skills. Now the teacher liked Anu's essay. The teacher is a noun and then Anu. Okay. So she stands for the teacher. Then she praised her writing skills. Whose writing skill? Anu's. So you will underline she and her. You will underline she and her, and then you will encircle teacher and Anu, because teacher and Anu, here in place of teacher we have written she, and in place of Anu we have written her. Understood? So this way we have replaced the pronoun. Okay, replace the noun using personal pronoun, and we have encircled the nouns that the pronoun replaces. Okay, is it clear to you? So do it in the book itself, and in the next class we'll start with reflexive pronoun. Thank you.